Welcome. Today we're going to wash and style Merian's hair. She has fine, textured curls with medium density. We're going to start off with our gentle clarifying shampoo, a light moisture cleanser infused with pumpkin and pomegranate enzymes. Then we're going to use our turmeric purifying hair and scalp mask, which helps remove scalp and hair buildup. Followed up with our Ayurvedic deep conditioner, a weightless deep conditioner infused with amla and baobab oil. We're going to start off with our Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner. And we're going to focus midsection down. Anytime you use product, you want to brush it through to evenly distribute the product. Now we're going to section the hair and save the crown for last. We're going to take 1/2-inch sections . You want to make sure the hair is nice and wet before applying any product. We're going to take about a dime size amount of gel and apply it from root to end. Then you'll take the Volume EdgeLift Brush. Start at the root with tension and bring it out. We're going to take 1/2-inch sections. You want to make sure the hair is nice and wet before you apply any product. And we're going to take about a dime size amount of gel and apply it from the root down. You'll take the Volume EdgeLift Brush to the root with tension and bring it out. Gorgeous. When working on the crown, you want to continue to take those 1/2-inch sections. Then you'll take the Volume EdgeLift Brush and brush up. That sounds so good. Wow. Beautiful. Replacing Bounce Curls Volume Root Clips for a little extra lift. We'll begin by hovering around the hair on high heat, high speed. When cupping, you'll bring it down to low speed, place it in the cup, and bring it up. Once the hair is almost dry, it will start to build a cast from the gel. You will then start to scrunch it out by scrunching the hair. We'll use our volume comb to pick the root for added volume to the root. And there you have it, voluminous curls.